These are RealChoice apple cider vinegar gummies, and the company sent these to me to compare and share. And I am pleasantly surprised. I've been doing shots of apple cider vinegar, like little 1 ounce shots, for years. It really helps my stomach. For me, it helps for healthy digestion. It helps with weight loss support. Apple cider vinegar is also known to increase the immune system. So there's all kinds of benefits to having apple cider vinegar. So when I first opened the bottle, I was kind of a little blown away because you smell it and it's very strong apple cider vinegar. Like these are definitely apple cider vinegar gummies. But then when you taste them, and this is what they look like, and these two are stuck together so you can see, this is what they look like. They're little tiny apples. They're super cute. Comes in the bottle like that, so you can just grab them. You can see that we've been kind of going through them because they're really good. And when you eat them, they do not taste like apple cider vinegar at all. They taste like a delicious little apple. So when I open the bottle, like definitely there's apple cider vinegar in there, but they don't taste like it. And there's no bad ingredients in it. So I'm really picky about what I put in my body. I won't put any aspartame, sucralose, any artificial sweeteners. I try to go as low sugar. There is some sugar content in this, but it's all natural. So I'm not going to worry about it. It's such a small amount that I'm happy to eat 2 of these a day. It's a lot better than a shot of vinegar, which my husband and I have been doing. And so we've been going through this bottle. We love it. They're really good. Highly recommend them. Great way to get your apple cider vinegar.